What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to be unboxing the summer edition of the Box of Style. So if you would like to see what we got, please keep on watching. Okay guys, so we have with us this summer edition of the Box of Style. If you don't know what Box of Style is, it is a box curated by Rachel Zoe with like stylish things inside. I'll have all of the information listed down below, as well as any previous videos I've done on this box. Also, this is not sponsored. I paid for this with my own money. It was not sent to me. I'm not being paid to do this. Just putting that out there. So this month, well, this season's box, I guess you would say, came in like this huge, can you see that? Like, it's so big. It's so big. It came in this big, long box. Okay, so inside the box, I can't quite lift it up for you to see it, but it says, being kind to the environment is always in style. We've kept the chic and reduced the waste. By reimagining our process and delivering the season's curation in one box rather than two, we've saved enough cardboard to make up the Hollywood sign 3 times over. This is our first step in an effort to become more sustainable. Enjoy. That's awesome, actually, because like I know in my last Box of Style, it did come in 2 boxes. Like there was its box, and then the purse was separate, because it came with a bag. And that was separate, and then they were all like thrown in to another box. You know what I mean? So that's awesome that they're doing that. So yeah, and then you open it up, the box. You've got this stuff. This is all the stuff that's coming in it. And then you've got this little style guide where basically it's got Rachel Zoe, and she just kind of shows you how to style everything. So yeah. I'm going to take this stuff out and get this box out of the way because it's huge and I don't have a ton of room. Okay. So I love that this comes with a dust bag. That's always great. So we've just got this huge duffel, and it's from Henny and Lev. This is great. I mean, you guys know that I do a lot of like moving and stuff, so this will be nice to have. It's got a little thing for like your tag, like a little tag for when you're traveling. Let's see if this says anything about it. So it says the Take All Weekender. A weekender is such a fun and versatile bag to have. Its canvas and brown colorway is guaranteed to look chic anywhere you take it. Styling tips: from overnight stays to long weekend getaways, pair it with your comfiest jet-setting sweatsuit or summer midi dress. Its classic silhouette, 2-toned colorway, and versatile strap makes it timeless wardrobe staple for seasons to come, no matter the destination. Why we love it. This getaway essential is as luxurious as it is eco-friendly and resurfaces a familiar silhouette with a contemporary feel. Its roomy interior is the perfect place to stash all your necessities, and it retails for $159. So right there, you've already paid for your entire box and a half. So that's awesome. And it seems like all of the stuff is in here, like all of the things that are coming with this. But inside you've got like, it's so big. I don't know if I can show you. See, it's got all the stuff from, maybe. It's got all of this space inside. You've got like 2 pockets on the side. A zip pocket over here. I'm not sure if you can see that. I'm sorry, I'm just investigating. But yeah, and then you've got like a little pouch in here which is filled with more of our goodies, and then you've got the strap for it, which is great. So yeah, so then we also have this in here. This is the Peter Salm Dream Floral Sarong in Rose Quartz. We were allowed to pick the color. I'm not sure if everybody could, or if just people that had like a year subscription, because that's what I did. But ooh, this feels so nice. A nice sarong for the bikini I will not wear until I lose some weight. But it feels really nice. Also for, you know, pool or beach I can't go to because COVID. But what this has to say about it is cover up. I love a printed sarong and have been collecting them for years. This gorgeous print and rose quartz or meteorite will keep you stylish all season long. That's a quote from her, by the way. Okay, so styling tips. With so many ways to wear it, let your mood decide how you will drape the watercolor print over your bathing suit. In a rush to get some rays, tie it around your waist and slip on your go-to slides before hitting the pool. Want to spice it up? Cross over 2 of its shorter ends and tie them around your neck for a sultry summer dress. The options are endless. Why we love it. The dreamy print was taken straight from the runways of Peterson's Archives and recolored in tandem with Rachel to create a one-of-a-kind warm weather must-have. And then she shows you 2 different ways to wear it. I think it's beautiful. It feels like such great quality. Oh, and it retails for, oh my god, $195. You're definitely getting your money's worth for this particular box. Already, definitely. Like, that's about 3.5 boxes worth just from those first 2 items that you've now paid for. So that's pretty awesome. And then it comes with this pouch that, like I said, has all of the other goodies in it. So let's see, we've got this Kosas Color and Light Cream Blush and Highlighter in Tropic Equinox, I can't talk. And, okay, so it looks like this. And then it looks like this on the inside. And what this has to say is the dramatic duo. Her quote says, I love fresh and natural makeup looks during this time of year. This cheek palette is just right for adding a little color and glow to sun-kissed skin. Makeup tips, a bronzer, blush, and highlighter duo that celebrates a sun-kissed glow far beyond the warmer months. Layer on top of a fully made up face or swipe on bare skin for a little hint of color. For a bronzed look, apply the tan shades to the hollows of your cheeks and lightly dab on the crease of your eyelids. Next, apply the highlighter to the high points of your cheeks as well as the bridge and tip of your nose. This will make for a well-rested, dewy glow. Why we love it. From a brand that believes that taking care of your skin includes the makeup that you put on it, comprising non-toxic ingredients to create pigments that enhance skin rather than cover it. And it retails for $34. The next thing are these Panacea. I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly, but they're these like tassel earrings. And yeah, they just look like this. This says, the adored adornment, and her little quote says, a glamorous statement earring is a fun way to dress up any summer look. I love this version in white as a new favorite alternative to blacks or metallics. Styling tips. Add these to any outfit for an instant upgrade. Pair with a summer-inspired floral dress and sandals, or amp up your poolside look by adding them to your sarong ensemble. Why we love it. Made by women for women. These earrings will make for the perfect +1 or 2 to all of your summer soirees. And it retails for $55. So the last thing that we have in here is this Alchemist Hydra Repair Day Cream with Camellia Geranium Blossom. And it says, free from skin aging toxins and carcinogens, no lauryl sulfate, no petrochemicals, no artificial fragrance, no nitrosamine releasers, I don't know. No DEA, no TEA, no parabens, no paraffins, no synthetic colors, no glycols. Cool? You guys know I like skincare, so that's great. And yeah, it just looks like this. And what this has to say about it is the Hydrating Hero. And her little quote says, she always puts a little quote first. So. It says, with more exposure to harsh rays in the summertime, it's crucial that I lock in my skin's hydration. This day cream is truly the perfect addition to any skincare routine. Skincare tips. Finalize your multi-step skincare routine with a pea-sized dollop of satisfying hydration, or wear alone for a skin-quenching pick-me-up. The key to flawless makeup application is a hydrated, properly prepared canvas. After cleansing and toning, gently massage the cream into your skin. Make sure to add a little more to the places that need it, like under the eyes. Now you're ready for foundation or powder or both. Why we love it. Vegan and eco-friendly without having to compromise quality and luxury. A safe, non-toxic formula that is as effective as it is clean, and it retails for $49. You guys know I have dry skin, so I'm very excited for this. Alright guys, so that was what was in the summer version of the Boxy Style. I'm pretty impressed with it, especially once I see like the prices of all these things. Like, that's insane. So that's pretty great. I can't wait to be able to use some of these things. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with the box. Let me know if you get this box and how you felt about yours. I'd love to hear about it. Again, I'll have all of the information listed down below in case you're interested. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell before you leave. I upload 3 times a week, every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, and I would love to have you. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.